we are making the spicy pepper dry chicken. Hello Salmedo, welcome back to India African. Let's check out the ingredients first. Cleaned chicken pieces, black pepper powder, ginger garlic paste, salt, salt, garam masala, turmeric powder, our favorite curry leaves, and green chilies. First of all, let's take a large bowl and add the chicken pieces. Here I have taken 6 medium pieces. Add about half teaspoon of black pepper powder, salt as per your taste, about 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Mix them well once. Now add about half tablespoon sunflower oil or any cooking oil. Mix them nicely. Add about half teaspoon vinegar or you can use lemon juice. Mix them well and refrigerate about 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, it's ready to fry. Heat up the pan on a medium flame as usual. Pour some sunflower oil. If you don't want to use the cooking oil, you can also use the pan spray. Once the oil is heated up, let's fry the chicken. Now on top, let's add about 4 to 5 green chilies and add about 8 to 9 curry leaves. Green chilies and the curry leaves will give the best flavor. Keep the flame in medium. Cover it with a lid and fry for about 5 minutes first. Flip and fry both the sides. The green chilies doesn't make the dish too spicy because it is used only for the flavor purposes. Flip for about 2-3 times and make sure you cover it with the lid and fry. The chicken should take about 15 to 20 minutes to be cooked perfectly. Chicken is perfectly cooked now and it's time to serve. If you guys like the video, please hit that like button below and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. That will encourage us to make more and more videos like this. Do try and enjoy, and let me know how is it in the comment section below. I'll catch you on the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.